Ambulance gone with daffodil a while ago. You know say no easy? As they break, you have some drama if you come tell me. You see, people business is not your key to success. So leave people business alone and take up this. Where am I going so far? I said, me say me around come tell you that I don't want nothing to pass you. You know what is? You know what is this? 100% natural coconut oil from Castle, the collection. Right now this up on the market, it hot. I may tell you say you use this on your skin. You see, as for the bleacher them, oh my God, me I tell you, when the bleacher them use this on their skin, they don't want nothing more. Clean and pretty, no little rash, no little bump, any little stretch mark where did it work on the stretch mark and the little something there. Hear me I tell you, let me tell you something. You notice how my skin clean and pretty and smooth, and this me been using. Yes, I bust me secret this morning and tell you. So since you carry people business, come tell me, they come give me, let me give you a little bit of my business. Cassidy collection coconut oil, it also function as a skin barrier. It repair, hydrate, nourishes the skin, and it also has anti-inflammatory in it and antibacterial property. Let me tell you something. The time you come with people business, get yourself one Cassidy collection coconut oil, because you see after you use this oil, it leave your skin feeling nourishing, smooth, soft and fresh. Me I tell you, no doubt about it. You know what? Me don't chat with you now, because as a matter of fact, just go on Facebook and type in CassidyCollection.com. You will find it. Remember me tell you, go on YouTube. It depends on all of the little website man them. You don't have to worry. And this island from Queens, New York. Queens, New York. So you don't have to worry on yourself. From scratch this make. You know what? I go call Cash Apart, because Cash Apart did beg me order a few theme. So me I go call him and make him know say alright. He there. Cash Apart.
Yeah. Man. Somebody else will come around and shop come cool up.
You remember I Cassidy collection coconut oil where you did beg me for order for you? You there?
Alright.
Yes. Alright, so link me feet when you finish.
Yeah.
Alright, my father, and them have more things for the market, but I'll tell you about them. Shirt, headband and all these things. Soap and one whole heap of something. But me tell you here. Alright. Later. They beg you little now. You can't get none of this. Here what? I go order one for you. Affordable cost. Line up your money. You see when time I order it, I'll make you get it. You hear? Come out of my place later. If you don't have one of this, you don't have nothing. Thing I say. Alright, so later then. I don't like it bad. Manage the one day. Me I go make some nice. See if I can just small if you make one of that Cassidy collection. I'll film.